Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV, and today we are reporting from WorldMark by Wyndham, Las Vegas, Nevada. And we just checked into our one-bedroom apartment here. This is the first time for myself staying at a timeshare property like this. I think that's a Murphy bed, actually. You know what? I have no idea, but let's see. Does anybody know if this is a Murphy bed? Please leave a comment in the comment section. I have a feeling it could be. It's got to be a Murphy bed. Very interesting. Anyway, first time at the WorldMark by Wyndham Resort. The check-in was very smooth, very pleasant. The pool and jacuzzi area looked very nice. They had some free cookies for the kids. So let me just show you the kitchen real quick. Let's see. Fully furnished and equipped. Oh, very nice. Let's see. Oh, beautiful. Very nice. Yeah, the facility so far, like, everything's nice and clean. The service was good. Check-in was smooth. As you can see, everything here is fully furnished and equipped. The pool was nice. We just checked out a jacuzzi area, which I will film separately. Yeah, this is great. Can't complain. Can't complain. Oh, look at that. Some more tea options. So, yeah. How I booked this place, that's a whole different story, which I'm not going to get into right now. It's a long, convoluted story. But I have no regrets. This is a very nice place. So far, anyway. And we're pretty close to the strip. We got free ground transportation or shuttle service to the Tropicana, which is on the strip. So that's also included, which we will probably not use because we have a rental car. Yeah, they got everything here. Great. It's fantastic. Yeah, nice and clean. Yeah, WorldMark by Wyndham, one-bedroom apartment, Las Vegas, Nevada. Have you guys stayed here before? Please let me know. Let me know about this Murphy bed situation. I'm 99% sure it is, but the lights up there confused me a little bit. Yeah, and oh, there's a balcony. I totally forgot about this little balcony area. Gotta check that out. Oh, it's extra security. That's a little balcony area. You can chill outside a little bit, watch some cars go by or not. Yeah, everything's very well maintained. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. I'm looking forward to some feedback from you guys if you've stayed here before. And muchas gracias.